Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking this video and thank you for the support always. I do appreciate you all. Okay, in today's video I will be showing you how I made this delicious creamy pasta recipe with chicken. This recipe is good for dinner or lunch. You will enjoy it and you will like it. It's quite easy and simple to make. So for this recipe you will need chicken, you need cooking cream, you need your pasta, garlic, and seasoning. You need parsley too. So guys, you want to start by seasoning your chicken. I used black pepper. I used all-purpose seasoning and also a little bit of Moroccan seasoning. You can season your chicken, with your preferred seasoning. It's up to you. So I seasoned, but you want the seasoning to be mild as well. So after seasoning the chicken, I boiled my pasta, and you want to cook your pasta according to the instruction on the pack of your chosen pasta. Yes, just follow the instruction on the cooking pack to cook the pasta. Guys, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment under this video, and share this video with your friends and families. Then you want to go ahead and add olive oil. I added olive oil here to your pan, your pot. I added olive oil and also added my chicken, your seasoned chicken. Yes, I added the chicken, and you don't want to overcook the chicken. Just and also I added a little bit butter and also added my onions for flavor. Added my onions and mushrooms. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. Garlic, then I added a little bit of black pepper. Salt, season with a little bit of salt. Then time to add cooking cream. Then I added the chicken, the seasoned chicken, the sauteed chicken, and Yeah, that's my parsley. Yes, I added that parsley. Oh my god, after adding the parsley, so delicious, it was yummy. And then I introduced the pasta, the already cooked pasta. I introduced it, and that's it. That's it. It's quite simple, quite easy, and it's yummy. Trust me. Yeah. So, guys, as I was saying, please subscribe to this channel. Please, your subscription means a lot to me, as this is a new channel. I need your subscription, I need your support to keep me going. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.